Hello, my lovelies. Well, the day has come. I got my witch hats. Let's take a look and see what they look like. These are the same ones being advertised on Instagram, but I got these from Amazon because they had a 2 for a deal. And I couldn't pass that up. Now they are squashed flat. But here they are. One black and one red. So let's open them up and see how they look. Lots and lots of tape. These are definitely testing my strength on just the packaging alone. Oh, okay, so here we go. Oh, well, here's the shape of them. And they just have to be straightened out. There's some kind of a cord inside there. Alright, so there's the red one. Let's see what this looks like on. Oh, isn't that nice? Let's try the black one now. Okay, so I've got it in shape. It's kind of hard to see on camera, but you can see the top of it there. If I turn it this way, I guess you can see a little bit. There you go. Okay, so let's put this on. And we'll see how this looks. Oh yes, look at that. Isn't that nice? Woohoo. Okay. Oh, it's a lovely shape. Nice acorn top. I'm very pleased. I hope you like these too. Oh, it's got some little stringy stuff on top, but I'll get rid of that later. Anyway, that's all I had for you today, lovelies. Hope you're staying safe in quarantine. I am too. And we'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, share, all the good stuff. Okay, bye-bye.